Today I'm in the great outdoors, sacrificing my comfort for your benefit. Actually, there's an old Army saying that it doesn't rain in the Army. It may rain on the Army, but not in the Army. So I've been wet before for your benefit, so don't worry about it. Today I'm looking at the hard rain performance of the North Face Wawona 6P 6-person tent. A few months ago, I did a video introducing you to the tent, showing you the setup and features of this tent. Be sure to watch that video for more information on this tent. I received a number of rain-related questions on this 6-person tent, so let's take a quick look at the tent during a hard rain condition. This North Face tent is doing a great job repelling the rain, and the inside is bone dry. As I check out the equipment and blankets left in the tent overnight, and then I look at the corners to see if there's any moisture, let me say this, that at one point in one hard rain, I left the rain fly open on the sides so that the tent got wet inside, and it's definitely a waterproof tent on the bottom because it held water. It was like a swimming pool inside. I didn't get any footage of that, but you can tell from the footage that I did get during this hard rain that the tent has very good hard rain performance. As we come around on the outside of the tent, I want to talk about this back door. I had a question from Steve on the door, and no, Steve, I don't believe that you normally use this door to get in and out, especially during a hard rain, because if you use this back door, it is going to get wet inside the tent. It'd be better to use the vestibule end and the main door. The other question was, during strong storms or strong winds, does rain make it up under the rain fly on the sides of the tent up into the mesh? In my experience, no, it does not. But could it? Probably in the strong enough wind. That concludes the video. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments, and please subscribe. Be sure to look for my other videos.